Today I'm going to tell you why it's important to eat foods that are blue and purple. We're going to do blue and purple together because I was only able to find 2 foods that are actually blue without adding any fake colors. And those are blueberries and blue corn chips that are made from blue corn. Did you know that there is corn that's actually blue? Did you know people eat the blue corn? So the blue corn chips help you get energy and give you fiber. And if you remember from my last video, fiber, it helps you poop. It's full of antioxidants, just like blueberries. That's what gives it its rich blue color. And they're full of vitamin C and antioxidants that help your immune system fight off illness. Purple power! Tell me what your favorite color is. Type it in the comments. Purple is one of my favorite colors. I'd like to know what your favorite color is. And now I'm going to show you the foods that I've selected. So look at all these purple foods I was able to find. Purple cabbage and purple carrots. These have a lot of vitamins for your body. Vitamins are good for you. They help you fight off sickness. I have an eggplant. Have you ever tried eggplant? Let me know in the comments. I have purple potatoes. Now, eggplant and purple potatoes helps build strong muscles and protects your brain. Have you seen purple rice before? Purple rice is full of fiber. You already know about fiber. It helps you poop. You know, when I was a kid, I never saw purple rice or purple potatoes and carrots. I didn't even know they existed. I just found out there's purple cauliflower. Wow! I have a plum, blackberries. These help your brain and your heart. I have a sweet onion. This is full of something called quercetin. It helps your immune system. Now, if you saw my other video, you know that your immune system acts like little soldiers inside your body and helps you fight off illness. I have kombucha. This is a drink that has lavender in it. Lavender is a purple flower. Maybe you've seen it before. And you can actually make tea out of lavender. It helps you relax and make you feel calm. Now, lavender also is used in bath products, bath salt and soaps because it smells good and it helps you relax. So a lot of people put it in the bath. So now I'm going to see what I can make with all of this stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my berries into a bowl. I'm going to cut up my plum. Wonder what color it is inside. Put some grapes in here. We have a nice fruit salad now. I'm just going to put this in the fridge and I can snack on it all week. So first I'm going to cook the rice, and this opens just like a milk carton. Oh no! Look at that. You ever have this happen when you try to open your milk? So I'm going to cut it with the scissors. There. Now we're going to cook this according to the box. It says to put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. This is a cup. So we're going to fill this up. Most measuring cups have the markings on the side. It tells you how much to put in there. This is a bigger one, so 1 cup is right here. I use this one all the time, so all the numbers are worn off, but I know that when it's full, it's 1 cup. I'm going to pour it in the pot. Now I'm going to fill my cup with 2 cups of water. So I'm going to have to fill this 2 times because this is 1 cup. This is a water filter. You can pour water in here from the faucet and it will filter it just like they do when they make bottled water. I'm going to pour this in. Now we use these bottles instead of plastic bottles. See how pretty that is? These are stainless steel bottles. You can reuse them. And they come in fun colors. Now I'm going to heat this up. So now it's time to chop up all my vegetables and cook them in the pan. I'm going to take some butter and put it in my pan, and I'm going to heat this pan up slowly. It's just better for your cast iron skillet. The rice is bubbling now, so it's time to turn down the heat and put the lid on the pan. I'm going to let this go for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Now I'm going to drain the rice. My plate is ready, so I'm going to put some rice here. Now I'm going to take some fruit. Now it's time for the vegetables. I'm going to have extra, so I'm just going to fill these up. And now I have my lunches for the rest of the week. And now I'm going to take the chips and use them as a garnish. Look at that. And I can't forget my drink. Now that's purple power.